And it's Annie.
It's Stella.
And as you see, we're back from fishing. We caught a giant fish.
Yeah, we got 3
Rock bass.
Yeah, 3 rock bass.
1 largemouth bass.
It was like this big. Wait, that
Like-
big? Like huge.
It was like
and
about...
then we caught 2 perches.
Yeah. So, yeah. As you see, we went swimming in the 60-degree lake.
That's my swimsuit.
And I'm transforming. Transformation. And that's mine.
So,
Yeah, so
that's what we caught. I got burnt.
yeah.
It's painful.
In our next episode, we will show you the fish, and I'll be like, I don't know.
And the
soon.
cure to my burning.
Аня, посмотри, что там с рыбой, не упала?
And now Annie is going to make a fart.
Аня, иди посмотри, рыба не упала. Аня, ты меня слышишь?
Yes! No, you Opala.
And if you heard it, it was like. And now it smells bad.
Wee wee. Yeah.
So we are going to do an awesome thing.